This is our mate Alex's batch, way out in the depths of the Pelorus Sounds. With no roads in, hitching a ride on the local mail boat is the only way out there. Alex gets on the blower and says, "Come and visit, we'll go on a bunch of fun adventures when you get here." But getting there sounds like half the fun. So here we are, two blokes and two chicks that got FOMO, armed with a pair of joggers and goggles, swimming and running from Picton to Pelorus. Transition 1 done. Steve, where are we swimming to? She loves bashing the bush. I'm now covered in gore. We literally put it out there.
I wanted to hit that ridge. There was a ridge one I wanted to hit.
Do we look pretty?
The? Of?
Yeah.
The?
The?
Tête? Head?
La tête.
Oh,
La tête?
tight.
La tête.
Merde de la tête. Get at the head.
I know you will. Damn, sucker. Shine the spotlight on.
Here we are. This is Marlborough Sounds, eh?
Yes, correct. Pelorus.
Second swim entry.
End of second run
End of second run.
and end of steaming. I feel good.
Oh wow.
Oh, wow.
Just keep swimming. Everyone's nice and chilly after a long swim. How do you feel after trespassing?
I feel good.
Now this is what you call the full embodiment of the hype train.
Oh my gosh. Desperate times. Desperate measures.
This is what happens when you train on Tamaki Drive too much, like you can't do vert. Oh, I wasn't, The 12th instalment of the Swimrun.
There you go. Okay, look, get a picture of my feet.
Yeah, we'll get a close up.
Look. Okay.
Oh, look at that. That'll be add some context. Little video log update. Where are we, Laura? Where are we, Steve? What was the technical term for that? In the middle of nowhere?
Yeah.
And we're having smoko because we're all shagged. This calluses the mind, thighs and shins.
Everything hurts. Ow, 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 ow.
Oh, it's not even that bad. Oh. Oh, Jordan! Take your gauze back to where it belongs. He made it through the gauze slit of death. While we're sitting here on the precipice of the last swim. Anything to say to the haters?
Do the work.
Do the training beforehand.
Do the work.
Yeah, yeah.
Don't just get FOMO.
Yeah. Look at the hype train go. We've got Bilbo, Feral, Laura and Jordan coming into Northwest Bay.
My last stretch. And we've gone every man for himself. You can say something stupid now.
I got nothing stupid. I got nothing to say.
We've arrived.
Yeah. Ta-da!
Hotel California.